I got too many hoes. Hey, you like to put that shit in your nose.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig install because I've been sick, and now that I'm not sick anymore, it's time to go back to school. Let's go wash this hair. Now let's take this bonnet off. Now let's get in the shower and wash my hair. Now let's braid and put the wig cap on. Yo, I look funny, but don't be talking about me. Now let's put the glue. Now I'm going to put the wig on and the lace band. Now let's blow dry the lace band so it can dry the glue. Now let's style this. Y'all, I 80. Now let's put some real clothes on. Period, look at me. Anyways, bye guys.
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to treat me, treat me,